Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a CPA license. First, you'll need to meet specific educational requirements, typically 150 semester hours of college coursework. Next, you must pass the rigorous uniform CPA examination, a 4-part test covering auditing, business environment, financial accounting, and regulation. Finally, gaining relevant work experience, usually 1 to 2 years under a licensed CPA, is crucial. We'll dive into each step to guide you through this rewarding journey. The 150-hour rule is a cornerstone of CPA education. While a bachelor's degree is usually 120 hours, you'll need an additional 30 hours to qualify in most jurisdictions. These extra credits often include advanced accounting topics, business law, and ethics. Many candidates pursue a master's degree in accounting or a related field to fulfill this requirement efficiently. Ensure your coursework aligns with your state board's specific academic guidelines. Passing the uniform CPA examination is a significant hurdle. It consists of 4 sections: auditing and attestation, business environment and concepts, financial accounting and reporting, and regulation. You must pass all 4 parts within an 18-month rolling period. After the exam, you'll need to gain practical experience, typically 1 to 2 years, supervised by a licensed CPA. This hands-on work is vital for developing professional competence. The final steps involve demonstrating your ethical understanding and formally applying for your license. Many states require you to pass a separate ethics examination, often a self-study course. Once all requirements are met, education, exam, experience, and ethics, you can submit your application to your state board of accountancy. This marks the culmination of your hard work, officially granting you the CPA designation. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.